Okay, everybody's wanting to walk around to this truck over here. Figured why not? It's here. I'm not gonna start it because I don't have enough gas to get to the gas station if I start it. But here it is. This is my Black Betty. It's a 79 Ford F-150 Custom. Interior is red and black. Don't mind the gauge cluster in the floorboard, mine's broke. Fifth wheel rails, spare tire. Was last fight in '86. I decided to go all out with the stickers on the back window, because why not? Brand new Bluetooth radio. Only has 93,000 on it. All my lights are actually working this time, except for my pod lights. I did all LEDs in the park lights here. These, this, both side marker lights. I'm working on getting LEDs in these. We redid the LEDs down here. All my cab lights are actually working today. I put those stickers on the back of my mirrors. And if y'all are wondering, I just got the cheap Walmart LED lights. And these are, we just took the same lights we use right here. There's two of them in here. Or no, there's just one in here. The other one's right here. That's the blinker. I'll show you real quick. Oh, I need to turn, dang it, never mind, I can't show you. I need to have the keys, and I kind of locked the garage. So, I'll open the hood for y'all. Hold on a second. Okay, let's get back to this. 400 big block. It's got a C6 automatic transmission. I'm gonna unlock my hubs real quick, so bear with me. Son of a bitch. You whore. Why don't you fucking shut? There we go. 33, I think those are 8s, 50 and 15s on stock aluminum wheels. Super Swampers. Bird kind of shit on my window there. Explorer. But that's my truck, for everybody that's wondering. I might go over here and do the 68. I might as well do the wrecker, but that will be coming later. I'll talk to y'all later.